Alright traders, greetings. Today is 15th of May 2020. We are now live for E Mini S&P 500 futures contract global. So at this moment we did receive two signal. So namely for AS 500, which is to first. So we did receive two signal. The first one is to buy long on the higher side, so you can see later on I will show in my chart. And from this signal, we are expected to go long at 2847.25, but the order is not filled. But on the smaller time frame, we did receive another signal to short sell the market, which is at 2815.25. So at this moment, the nearest point we have is to short sell the market. So the nearest point, which the second signal is the nearest point. This purple line is my short sell position. It's not yet filled, and this blue key line is buy long position for the higher side. So from both signal, live telegram channel, you can get it from the link in the section below. Feel free to click on it. So there will be private channel. You will be directed over there. So with both signal already in place, now we are waiting for any possibility to fill into the market. And for short sell position expected about 9 or 10 points, or about 500 or 450 US dollar in profit for normal standard mini account, and for normal standard mini S&P. Okay, if you are trading micro, then you have to trade more position size. Should be around 50 per lot micro size, or 500 per lot for mini account for one lot position size, so which is quite a lot. And still we are waiting. Hopefully this will be a explosion to the downside, and might be helpful if we can get out as fast as we could. So the target TP, which is at 280. So let's take a look back. The targeted TP for the second signal, which is 2805, so should be around 10 points. So maybe 9 points or 8 points should be good enough for us to exit the market. So I'll pause this video for a while and resume later on once the order been filled. Okay, once the order been filled, and yeah, still any moment from now, short sell position is the nearest one. So I hope it will either signal, one of the signal hopefully will be triggered and make us some money tonight. I mean today. So time now is 11:16 New York time in the morning. This is the live trading, and hope you guys can watch this video till the end and to see whether this will be a profitable trade or not. I'll pause this video for a while and resume later on once we have a clear indication once the order been filled. Alright traders, we resume back again. So based from the current situation, we have I've revised the signal from my live telegram channel. Did mention that the new revised second signal, this is second signal to short sell the market. So the revision is to enter the market a bit more quickly, three more points higher, which is at 2818. So I have changed my entry over here. So focus on the purple line. So this purple line is the revised entry for short sell position, and which is at 2818.25, and targeted profit, which is around 2808 or 2809, 1 point earlier. This one is a perfect one. So should be a quick one hopefully. Okay, so this is the target for today. Alright, we almost enter to the market. So the first signal can be clear out. Okay, so now we focus on the short sell position. So let's take a look on the volume. Quite good at this moment. It's quite volatile. I will pause for a while to prevent this video to be too long, and once the enter been filled, then we resume back later. Alright traders, we resume back again. So based from the current situation, seems like the market make a sideways move, quite a huge sideways move. Alright, so the market have a pullback over here, then another push to the higher side, and we are waiting on the first signal, which is from my live telegram channel, to go long for that signal. Still valid, this one. This is the first signal which is still valid, and this is second signal also still valid, but with the revised one. So now we have two signals. So based from my platform here, you may see I have queued my position on the two spot over here, buy long on the higher side and short sell on this entry. So now we are waiting for both signal to be filled. So most likely now the market will go for the first signal, which is to go for a long position, and our TP for this one which is at 2860. So market might go further up to 67, but we will exit earlier. It should be a good one. 13 points, that's a perfect. Alright, so we have to wait for another round while waiting for the market to trigger the buy long position. Alright, so we pause for a while and resume later on. Alright guys, we resume back again. So although our order will be filled any moment from now, so we have a position here at 28.45 sorry, 28.47. It has been a long wait for this entry. 28.7.25 from my signal, live signal. At last the order will be filled. So let's wait and hope the price push to okay, we into the market. Let's take a look. Alright, everything looks smooth at this moment. Looks good. So the target for this profit level is 28.61. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will go further up. Okay traders, we resume back again. So now the price already break through sideways movement, hopefully permanently break through. So now we are expected for the price to go on the higher side. If the price reverse back, then we have to escape perhaps, but at this moment we are in the good profit of 200 plus US dollar in profit. So this is a micro E Mini S&P. If you are trading normal S&P, should be maybe same or more than this, but current profit now is 211 US dollar, 228, keep rising, and hopefully nothing will hold us back. And okay, 246 US dollar. So hope a strong bullish on the higher side. And 49.75, so we did enter at around 47. Now is 49, 2 points. Hopefully things will have a good momentum on the higher side. Now we are reaching 300, looks good. 316 looks good. So I will release two position. Okay, 400 US dollar. I release two position first. Alright, so we have another 12 position. Looks good. If you can watch this over here, the PNL now reaching 300. I have profit some just now by exiting two positions. So we have to wait another maybe 15 minutes to see whether we can reach on the higher side. Perhaps the target is at 61, and the current price is 51. So another 10 more points hopefully is doable. Okay, let's wait and see. Alright, looks strong at this moment. You can see now we are profit around 340, and it keep rising up. 340 US dollar, 350, 370, 415, 400. Okay, looks good. So in 40 seconds, the next candle will be appeared. Hopefully, the candle will keep rising up 400. So maybe we can 600 or 700 should be good. 430. Keep watching this PNL. So we are on a good move. 445, 430, all in USD. So this is day trading. You can exit actually at this moment. The cost for these 12 lots is micro S&P is around $50. So I just need around $600 to invest in, and to have a profit around 400. I can escape now, which is quite good for me as well. So the target is still 7 more points, and let's wait and see. Right, traders, resume back again. So we are reaching almost 500. Okay, now 545 US dollar in profit. So right, it's a good thing the market keep prevail on the bullish side. 490. So overall today he is 1150. Looks good, pretty damn good for E Mini S&P futures today trade. Hopefully the price will push higher. So let's wait and see. Now 54. So in next 10 minutes we can see a double candle over here. Hopefully you can reach the profit target area, which is at 28.60. Now reaching 55. Over here there's a large volume at 57. Looks good. We are 10 points from my position, entry position, which is at 28 47.25, and 10 points ahead, which is at 28.57. Profit now 460. Just keep watching this PNL. Looks good. As long the price keep rising up, then we are in a good position. If the price move back down, then we rather exit my position somewhere here at 28.50 as a trailing stop. So I will include 12 lot over here as a trailing stop. Okay, that doesn't look good. 385, just for precaution. Alright, so over there. Okay, we are waiting for the market to push higher now. 53, 54, 55 just now is the highest. Okay, 55, 75 is the highest, not far. So hope to reach 57, which is 10 points ahead our position. I hope it will not return back down. Alright, now 56, touching. Oh no, not yet. 55.25 is the highest. Okay, 460 US dollar profit. Hope we can reach 700. Looks good. 700. Waiting for 700. 300 some more on the profit. I think I will exit some. Yep, like 4. Sell on the market. Okay, then I have to reduce. My current position is now 8. Okay, sell. So to reduce down to 8. This is a micro account. The cost for each lot position size is about 50 US dollar. Quite cheap, huh? Alright. Keep what? So buy. This one wrong. I need to exit. Cancel order. Okay. Got some more over here. Nope. Reduce down to 8 for my trailing stop. Okay, this one we don't need anymore. Okay, looks good. So overall profit today is just nice 1000. So 225. Just now we have closed a few position. It was a good strategy as well. When you are on the good move, close a bit over there, a bit over there, and let the price, the remain price, keep rising up. So at least if the price was back, we have a trailing stop. If the price yeah. So we have to wait some more. Okay, now we are reaching 325. So just for today profit, we have 775 already, adding up this 300 and can get this 1000 US dollar in profit for one day trading, which is a good salary for day traders like me for US session scalping. And time now is 2:35. Sorry, 2:30 in the evening, New York time, and my local time is midnight. Okay, everything looks good. Still pending for the burst on the higher side. Okay, now reaching a new candle. I think I will exit this one with 400 or 500 should be a good one. 450 or more than 450 is the best, unless it hit the trailing stop. 57 always the target. 10 points times 8, 400 or 450. So we are reaching 315. Overall we have already 775 US dollar in profit. Now drop it to 285. Okay, we pause for a while and resume later on. Alright guys, just very lucky I guess. It hit my trading stop. So overall profit we managed to get is 890 US dollar in profit. Still waiting for the market to reach on the higher side, which is the target is 2861 2860 based from my live telegram channel. But still it's up to you to exit anywhere in the market as long as you are profiting. So for me I already profit. So overall today with 890 US dollar as a day trading from the micro icon, quite a good, yeah, quite a good profit today. So to the PNL from the E Mini S&P futures market. Okay guys, that's all for, thank you for watching. That's all for today. I believe the market will remain on the higher side any moment from now. Just might take some time for the market to go towards this price level perhaps, but overall we are in the good profit. There's a lot of link in below in the description, feel free to click on it. So 890 US dollar in profit. Thank you, bye bye.